What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Back at it again. I'm still gonna give him shout outs. Still gonna give that prize out. Prince Morel, subscribe to him. Favorite YouTuber? Y'all. But y'all see what I'm marking right now on the hub. Hey, North Carolina beat Gonzaga. Y'all, hey. I used to live in North Carolina. Hey, I gotta show you something else too. My football gear for the season, baby. My cousin, say what's up to YouTube. Yeah, that's my cousin. I'm having a good little snack. It's lit. Noodles. That's good. Oh, and spicy.
Wait, that's the concrete chicken?
Yeah. It is chicken, but I put some more stuff in it to make it hot. Hey. Wait. Hey, more. Yeah, man. But we might do something else though. Told you, Prince. I have 2 houses. I'm at my other house right now. Water. Carter, what? Carter always going in the background. I'm just kidding, y'all. Bro, who did that? According to Cuz.
Well, I'm pretty sure no one wants to see you watch ramen.
Hey, bro. Hey, call me right there, John, bro. Call me right there, John. It's my husband, bro, too, bro. I like my cuz. Ramen. I'm chicken. It's world out there. Tripping.
You shouldn't start recording when it was thundering.
Yeah. Hey, it was thundering. While we were driving in the car, I was sleeping. I woke up so fast, bro. It was thundering like heck. Tricks. Hey, I'm in the Matrix Club with hoverboards.
That was not a trick. What even is this?
I'm in the Matrix Club with hoverboards. Ooh.
Let me try that.
Woo! I'm in the Matrix Club with the hoverboards.
You look like you're more in Star Wars.
Oh no!
Look at you.
My butt cheeks. Ah. They see you over there. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to end the video. My camera is about to die. So, deuces.